Howdy, Four Tradesman Fencing here. Just finished another job here. Fixed the Bowles School. Beautiful white vinyl fence. Right here, just north of the Mandarin area. He had a 6-foot fence over there, and then we're on this side over here. He has a 8-foot fence. Whenever you need extra privacy, it's good to have 8-foot style. Yeah, not bad with the gate here. You can see the difference of the 6-foot. The gate. Eight-foot fence will have the mid rail here, and there's always a metal beam along the bottom rail inside the rail itself, and that helps support the weight of the excessive material there, and that'll keep it from sagging. So if you need a vinyl fence, you can give Four Tradesman Fencing a call, 904-315-2909. You can also see our website, 904fencing.com. We maintain 5 stars on Yelp and Google. So if you're interested in getting a fence, somebody you can trust and rely upon, give Four Tradesman Fencing a call. Have a good day.